Welcome to my class. In this particular class, we will talk about different types of network. We can divide all types of networks into three parts. The first one on the basis of geography. The second one on the basis of topology. The third one is on the basis of services rendered. On the basis of topology, let's first try to understand the meaning of network topology. The term network topology refers to the way in which computers, that is nodes in a network, are linked together. Student, please note that any device connected to network is termed as node. Whether a computer is connected to the network or a printer is connected to the network, it will be termed as node. So the term network topology refers to the way in which the computers or nodes in a network are linked together. In simple words, the pattern in which computers are connected to each other is termed as topology. This pattern can be in the shape of straight line or a ring shape or star shape and so on. In other words, the structure or layout of the cabling in connecting the devices to form a network is called topology. The way we have laid down cables to connect devices is termed as topology. On the basis of topology, we can divide networks into 6 parts. The first one is bus topology. Second one, star topology. The third one, ring topology. The fourth one, mesh topology. The fifth one, tree topology. And the last one is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology. Hybrid networking structure or hybrid topology. When two or more different topologies are put together to create a new network, it is termed as hybrid network or hybrid topology. It may be in the form of bus and star topology or star and ring topology, etc. It means when you combine two or more topologies together to form a network, it's a case of hybrid networking structure or hybrid topology. Look at this particular example. This is the main bus. Bus here means wire. This is the main wire. With the main wire, we have a ring structure attached to it. With the main bus, again, there is bus structure attached to it. Then we have a star topology attached to it. So with one particular cable, 3 networks are attached: star, bus and ring structure. When we put together 2 or more topologies together, it becomes a case of hybrid topology. Now some of the advantages and disadvantages of the hybrid topology, they are discussed as: this topology is scalable as we can further connect other computer networks with the existing network with different topologies. This topology has a disadvantage also. On the one side it is scalable, on the other side, if one of the system goes out of the order, then the fault detection becomes quite difficult. Another disadvantage is that design is complex, so maintenance is quite high and expensive. As we can very well understand, it's a combination of 2 or more topologies, then design has to be complex and the maintenance of this particular structure will be quite difficult. Thank you very much.